Hi everyone, welcome to Homebody. I am Felicia, your host for this video. So we're outdoors and we are opening up our pool for the season. This video is sponsored by Poolmate. I have the Poolmate Hydro3S robotic pool cleaner. So the first thing that we do when we're opening up our pool is to clean all the debris and get any water off of the pool cover that you may have left over from the winter season. Okay, so we just took the cover off the pool from the winter. So that was like a slow winterizing thing that put winterizing chemicals in there. Then I have this pool hacker balloon, and looks like one of the tops came off of my there's a little black dot there that was on one of my plugs that came off. So yes, so we're going to get the brush and we're going to scrub to get the algae from the bottom, and we're going to scrub the sides, and then we'll go from there. So here my husband is actually scrubbing the sides and the floor of the pool, and the more he scrubbed, the more greener and yuckier the water ended up getting, which is expected. You know, it's expected. It's been sitting up for the winter. And so after that, we went ahead and we shocked the pool, and we used liquid chlorine that we purchased from one of our local pool stores here. And of course, my husband cleaned all the pool tubing, and he set up the filter and make sure everything was clean with the filter. And once we shocked the pool, we waited until the next day for any other steps. So here we are on day 2, and as you can see, there's a lot of dead algae at the bottom of the pool. Well, at least we can see the bottom of the pool. So let's go ahead and drop the vacuum in the pool. Now this vacuum has a few modes. It has the floor mode where it can vacuum the floor. It has a wall mode where it vacuums just the wall, and then it has an auto mode where it'll vacuum the floor and the wall. And then it has an S feature where it can, you know, go back and forth and zigzag and things like that. So overall, it took me about 3, maybe 4 days to get my pool nice and blue and clean as I wanted it. But I'm just showing you here how the vacuum vacuumed up some of the algae, and then we'll come back for day 3. So here we are on day 3. I'm going to go ahead and drop the Poolmate vacuum back in the pool for today. And as the Poolmate cleans the bottom and the walls of the pool, I'm going to be skimming the top. Yes, you're going to see how it works by cleaning the walls. I'll be skimming the top, getting some of the bugs and stuff that's on the top of the pool. So after this run, the pool is going to pretty much be clean, as you're going to see. Look how pretty it's getting. The water is actually getting really nice by day 3. So here I'm showing how the inner part of the filter looks after we had the vacuum in the pool for a little while. There's also an app that you can download on your phone to control the vacuum. Again, there's a floor mode, an auto mode, and a wall mode. So fast forward on to day 5, where the pool is nice and clear and absolutely beautiful. Now on day 4, I did add a water clarifier. I let my pump run for like 24 hours. And upon today, the water is nice and clear. And without my vacuum, I couldn't have gotten this far without it. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.